What's up, beautiful people? This is Martins again. Today, the story is about the greatest mistake I ever made that ruined my life, as related by a lady. Every woman wants to look good, and that is commendable. After all, it's instinctively and naturally good for every woman to want to look good. It is psychologically tested and scientifically proven that good-looking girls, ladies, and women attract favors, cares, and attention at the expense of the ugly and unkempt ones. But beautiful ladies in the house, I want to ask you this question, and I want you to answer it sincerely from your heart. The question I'm about to ask you is this. But before then, please, I want your answer. Drop it there in the comment section of this video. The question is, what is the greatest mistake that you have ever made, or the most stupid thing that you have ever done that you wish or regret about? To some ladies, it was not saying yes to a man that loved them. To others, it was the choice of business they ventured into without knowing the rudiment. To some others, it was not listening to the voice of wisdom coming from those who loved them. Still others, it was having a bad association that led them into a big-time trouble. Here is the story of a lady with a bright future and a promising future that found ourselves in a big mess. Worse still, the mess was still self-made and self-doomed. Now, listen to my story. In January 2021, a beautiful young lady in company with an aged woman came into my office. The young beautiful lady explained that she wanted to collect her bachelor degree certificate. I asked her to bring her enlisted documents for certificate collection. The document was brought out by the aged woman, who happened to be her mother. A form was given to her to fill it out and submit. Once more, it was the aged mother that did the filling and submitted it. When it was time for the collection of the certificate, it was the aged woman that signed for collection. At that point, I could not bear it any longer. I was moved to ask the beautiful young lady, who was visibly sound, healthy, mentally stable, and beautifully groomed, why she didn't undergo the process herself. I also asked why she had to take the aged mother along. I also wanted to know and ask her whether she was the owner of the certificate or the aged mother. To my greatest surprise, the lady did not utter any word. The aged woman continued with the process, and at the end, she replied to my questions. She explained that she was her mother, that her daughter was very much okay while she was still in the university, even after graduation, but that she was now blind. At that point, she further explained how she lost her eyes. It all happened one day. At one weekend, the aged mother explained that her daughter went to visit a makeup artist to do some makeup, that it was in the process of fixing the eyelashes extension that the reckless artist poured glue into her eyes, getting her blinded. When I heard the story, tears rolled down from my eyes. I kept on thinking about the incidents. I asked myself, does eyelashes extension really worth the stress that women undergo? Does it worth the eyes that it is damaged? Does it really add to beauty? To some ladies, it does, but to some others, it doesn't. Whatever the case is, there is a good news for you. I have taken my time to do some research on the harmless natural eyelashes grower, which are highly recommended by the users. I have found one for you. Yes, you can use it. It is called REVAMIN LASH. It will nourish your eyelashes and make them grow taller and beautiful. It will not cut it the way the glue does. Yes, it will not damage your eyes. Instead, it will grow your eyelashes naturally and nourish it. I have interviewed some of the users of REVAMIN LASH, and they were all unanimously in their testimonials. I have done my research also and concluded as follows. There is no need to doubt or fear the usefulness of this product. REVAMIN LASH is naturally nourishing, safe to use, highly recommended, best in the market, and scientifically tested and proven to be working and being natural. Start taking care of your lashes and enjoy the natural looking day. Check the description of this video for the link to REVAMIN LASH. Don't forget to take a look at it, and don't forget to click at the link below, and don't forget to review it and take a closer look at it. REVAMIN LASH is good for you. Better understand the nature and help to make your eyelashes grow naturally. It adds to beauty without pain. Beautiful ladies in the house, please drop the comments to the question I asked to you at the onset, and I'll be glad you did. That is my story for today. But before I go, please tell me, if you were in position of the young lady, what would you have done? If you were the parents, what would you do? The siblings, what would you have done? So what is your advice for lovers of eyelashes extension? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video, and bye.